Do you know how the property assessment you receive in January impacts your property tax bill in May? Your property tax bill is determined by 3 factors: the budgetary needs of the city, the budgetary needs of the province, and your property value. To calculate your property tax bill, the city multiplies your property's assessed value by the provincial and city tax rates. Your property tax bill can change from year to year for a few reasons. If the city or provincial budgets increase or decrease to provide services. If City Council changes how municipal property tax is divided between residential and non-residential property classes. Or your property's value increases or decreases more than the overall market change of your property class. While you might think an increase or decrease in your property's value would automatically mean an increase or decrease to your property tax bill, that's not always the case. The city assesses the value of all properties in Calgary as of July 1st each year to ensure market changes are captured and everyone pays their fair share of property tax. Through the reassessment process, the city does not collect more or less taxes. To determine if your property taxes will increase, decrease, or stay the same, your property's market value change is compared to the typical market change for your property's class, which is either residential or non-residential. Let's look at 3 similar properties in Calgary. For example, let's assume the city and provincial budget stays the same, and the property tax distribution among property classes, residential and non-residential, doesn't change. Let's also assume the overall market value of residential properties increased by 5%. Now, let's look at 3 properties that were assessed at $455,000 last year. This year, our gray home was assessed at $455,000, meaning its value was unchanged. Since the property value changed less than the 5% increase for a typical home, its property tax will decrease. This year, our red home was assessed at $478,000, meaning its value increased by approximately 5%. Since the red home's property value change of 5% is the same as the typical home, its property tax stays about the same. This year, our blue home was assessed at $487,000, which is an increase of $32,000 or approximately 7%. Since the blue home's value increased by 7%, which is greater than the typical home change of 5%, property tax will increase. Annual property assessments reflect current market changes and help to ensure everyone pays their fair share of property tax. Check, review, and compare your property's value to similar properties using assessment search at calgary.ca/assessment.